In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar view in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, visual way to see your tasks, projects, or events laid out by date, all without leaving the page you're already working on. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop app or your web browser, whichever you prefer. Give it a second to load your workspace so everything is fully synced before you make changes. Next, head to the page where you want the calendar to live. This could be a project hub, a tasks database, or any workspace page where you keep items that have dates. If you're managing entries in a database, that's perfect because a calendar view is designed to display those entries based on a date property. Now on that page, tap the / key on your keyboard to open Notion's command menu. You'll see a quick search pop up right where your cursor is. Start typing calendar view. As you type, Notion will narrow down the options. When you see calendar view, select it. You can click it or press enter to confirm. This tells Notion to create a new view of your current database, specifically formatted as a calendar. Once the calendar view is added, you'll see a month grid appear. Any items in your database that have a date property will automatically populate on the corresponding days. If nothing shows up yet, that usually means your items don't have a date set or the database doesn't include a date property. Add dates to your entries and they'll appear instantly on the calendar. From here, you can click any day to create a new item directly on that date, or drag existing items to reschedule them. If your database already has properties like status, assignee, or priority, those carry over into the calendar too, so you can open any item and edit details without leaving the view. A quick tip, give your new view a clear name like calendar or monthly planner, so it's easy to switch between this and other views such as table, board, or list using the view switcher at the top. You can also apply filters or sorting if you want the calendar to show only specific items, like tasks due this month or events for a single team. And that's it. You opened Notion, went to your page, used the / command to find calendar view, and clicked it to add a fully functional calendar to your workspace. Pause the video and follow along if you need to, and enjoy a more visual, time-based way to manage your work in Notion.